The heart, the engine that never stops. Right now, as you're watching this video, your heart is already beating. It has beaten millions of times without you ever thinking about it. It started before you were born, and it will only stop once at the very end of your life. But what exactly is the heart, and how does it work nonstop for decades? The human heart is a muscular pump about the size of your fist, weighing less than half a kilogram. Yet it is powerful enough to push blood through nearly 100,000 kilometers of blood vessels every single day. This is not an ordinary muscle. It is made of cardiac muscle, designed to work continuously, without rest, without fatigue. The heart sits slightly to the left of your chest, protected by the rib cage. Its main job is simple but essential: to pump blood, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and life to every cell in your body. Without the heart, no organ can survive for more than a few minutes. It is not a symbol of life, it is life. But the heart doesn't work as one hollow space. Inside it are 4 chambers, working together with perfect coordination. Let's go inside. Every heartbeat is a journey that blood repeats again and again and again. Let's follow that journey. The heart has 4 chambers, like a house with 4 rooms. The 2 upper chambers are called atria. The 2 lower chambers are called ventricles. The right side of the heart handles blood that is low in oxygen. The left side handles blood that is rich in oxygen. These 2 sides never mix because precision keeps us alive. Let's follow 1 drop of blood. It returns from the body, tired and low in oxygen. It enters the right atrium, moves into the right ventricle, and is pumped toward the lungs. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is released and fresh oxygen is absorbed. Recharged, the blood returns to the heart, into the left atrium, then the left ventricle. From there, it is pumped powerfully to the entire body. 1 heartbeat, 1 complete cycle. But what tells the heart when to beat? And how does it keep perfect rhythm for an entire lifetime? Your heart doesn't wait for instructions from your brain. It controls itself. Let's see how. Every heartbeat begins with an electrical signal. This signal starts in a tiny natural pacemaker called the sinoatrial node. It sends an impulse through the heart, telling the chambers when to contract and when to relax. This electrical timing is what creates a steady rhythm. That familiar sound, lub-dub, is not the heart muscle itself. It is the sound of valves closing, making sure blood flows in only one direction. These valves open and close more than 100,000 times a day. In one day, your heart beats about 100,000 times. In 1 year, over 35 million times. In a lifetime, more than 2.5 billion beats. It never rests, it never complains. It simply works. For every breath you take, understanding your heart is the first step toward protecting it. The heart is incredibly strong, but it is not indestructible. When something goes wrong with the heart, the effects are felt everywhere in the body. Let's understand, simply, what can disturb this perfect system. Problems with the heart usually fall into a few main categories. One involves the blood vessels that supply the heart itself. Another affects the heart muscle, making it weaker or less efficient. Some problems disturb the electrical system, causing the heartbeat to become too fast, too slow, or irregular. And sometimes the valves do not open or close properly. When blood flow is reduced, organs do not receive enough oxygen. When the heart muscle weakens, the pump becomes less effective. When rhythm is disturbed, the body loses coordination. The heart does not fail suddenly in most cases. It gives signs. Understanding the heart means learning to respect these warning signals. The good news is this: many heart problems are influenced by how we live every day. So how do we protect this vital organ? Your heart works for you every second, but it remembers how you treat it. Small daily choices shape the future of your heart. The heart responds to movement. Regular physical activity helps keep the heart muscles strong and blood vessels flexible. What you eat also matters. Balanced nutrition supports healthy blood flow and stable energy levels. Rest is just as important. During sleep, the heart recovers and resets its rhythm. Stress does not stay in the mind alone. It affects breathing, hormones, and heart rhythm. Calm moments, deep breathing, and mental balance allow the heart to work more efficiently. A calm heart beats better. Your heart is not just an organ, it is a lifelong companion. Understanding how it works helps you respect what it does for you. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more clear, science-based explanations about the human body and health.